Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yani if you're new here, and it's been about a good 4 weeks since I posted a video. I ran into a little problem with my laptop, but we're back and we're in full effect. As you can see, we're going to be doing a deep cleaning of my disgusting fridge today. We're going to be cleaning and organizing, so keep watching. As you can see, our fridge is full. It's completely full, but at the same time, it's empty. And I say that because it's full of crap that just needs to go in the garbage. Leftovers, expired things that are in there. It was just a mess. Then we have the freezer, which isn't too bad. It's definitely packed, but I did go in and organize it before and clean it out. So now everything is just a little unorganized, so I'm gonna fix that up. That's gonna take no time. My daughter just had to come and make her guest appearance in the video, as she always does. So leave some little waving hand emojis in the comments to say hi to Milan. Okay, so something from one of these top two shelves spilled all the way down here, so you can see there's stuff right there. There was stuff leaking on my hands. Stuff got on top of here, so yeah, we need to clean this stuff off. Our fridge gets really chaotic and messy during the week due to the fact that we cook new meals every single night, so we end up accumulating a lot of leftovers. By the way, follow our cooking page at Sizzling Mamas. Okay, so I wiped the bottom shelf down, but as you can see, there was a spill and it's in the crack, so I have to take this glass, I guess, sheet out, glass shelf, and clean in there. And I gotta get whatever that is back there in the back. Don't worry, I'm not leaving this stuff all in a mess like this. That's just going there for now while I'm organizing. Alright, we found another spill. So right here we have some cilantro that started to turn brown, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go through it and pick out those brown pieces, wash it, dry it, and store it back in the fridge. Now this door, let me tell y'all, we had so many expired products that had to go in the garbage.
Okay, first there's a spill, which is disgusting. But then, I already know who that was. Milan. Okay, so this is what we're working with in here. You gotta clean that out. Clean that out. It's like it gets worse as you go down. Yuck.
Is it just me, or is Amazon at your doorstep every single day? So I bought this storage container for the fridge to organize our cheese, and I bought this egg container, which I thought was so cute, and it has a purpose, so why not?
They're all right here, just in a blob, so we're gonna fix that up.
See, I told you guys that for the most part the freezer was decent. It just had to be organized again. Guys, please excuse my hair. It had been a rough couple of days. I was in the process of deep conditioning and detangling, and yeah, just don't mind my hair, okay? So let's go ahead and recap. This is what the fridge looked like in the beginning of the video. And this is what we're working with now. This is what the freezer looked like. And this is now. We've also started implementing a leftovers night into our week so that we can get rid of all of the food that we have left over. So everyone gets to pick their favorite meal that we had from the week and eat on that for dinner, and that helps to clean out the fridge during the week, and it also cuts back on waste. And that helped to bring the fridge all together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.